Hi everyone, and welcome back to Modern Horizon Homes. Today we're diving into one of the standout floor plans here at Mosaic by Kolter Homes in Port St. Lucie, Florida, which is the Paige Floor plan. Whether you're looking for a spacious single-story living or something with extra flexibility, the Paige Floor plan offers some truly incredible options. If you're new to my channel, I'm a licensed real estate agent specializing in Port St. Lucie and the surrounding areas. Whether you're looking to buy a new construction home or make a move, I'd love to help you. Feel free to call, text, or email me to get started on your home buying journey. And remember, using me as your realtor for new construction doesn't cost you anything because the builder pays my commission. More about the Paige Floor plan. It is a single-story home with 2,490 square feet of living space. It features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a spacious 3-car garage, and a versatile flex room, perfect for a home office, gym, or playroom. What really sets the Paige apart is its incredible customization options. This floor plan offers over 36 structural choices, allowing you to truly make this home your own. For example, you can add up to 2 additional bedrooms and another bathroom, bringing it to 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. Or if you need even more space, you can add an additional option of a second story with a bonus room, kind of like a loft. Imagine having that extra room for a media center, guest space, or a game room. Inside the Paige doesn't disappoint. The great room and owner's suite features ceilings just shy of 11.5 feet, giving the space an airy and luxurious feel. The other bedrooms have 10-foot ceilings, keeping the entire home feeling spacious. And the sliding glass doors in the great room can be upgraded from the standard 8-foot sliders to 10-foot sliders for an even more dramatic indoor-outdoor connection. Kolter Homes doesn't skimp on quality. Throughout the home, you'll find soft close cabinets, premium finishes, and the option to customize many of the details to fit your style. On the outside, every home comes with impact glass for all windows, sliding doors, and other openings. A must-have here in Florida. You'll also get a paver driveway, paver front walkway, and an 8-foot front door. Living in Mosaic means more than just a beautiful home. This gated community offers some fantastic amenities, including a clubhouse, fitness center, 2 pickleball courts, and a community resort-style pool. And the best part? The HOA fees are just $246 per month. That covers gated security, full lawn care, and access to all these amenities. Mosaic consists of 238 single-family homes and offers 9 different floor plans, with prices starting from $465,990 to $591,990. Something to keep in mind is this does not include a lot premium or any additional upgrades you may choose. Every floor plan within Mosaic, including the Paige, has the option to add an upstairs bonus room, which typically costs between $50,000 and $80,000. If this sounds like the home for you, give me a call at the number on the screen to schedule a tour of the home and the community. As your realtor, I'll ensure you get the best deal, take full advantage of those builder incentives, and have a stress-free experience. Remember, working with a realtor doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does guarantee you have someone in your corner to advocate for your needs every step of the way. Thanks for joining me today on this tour of the Mosaic and the beautiful Paige model. If you're considering moving to Port St. Lucie, head over to my website for your free copy of my exclusive Port St. Lucie local guide packed with helpful info about the area and fun things to do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new home opportunity. See you next time.